This book is very useful. This book is very useful. He is a clever student. He is a clever student. The chair is very comfortable. The chair is very comfortable. The child is very playful. The child is very playful. This bag is very light. This bag is very light. The mountain is very high. The mountain is very high. She is a polite girl. She is a polite girl. The room looks very cozy. The room looks very cozy. He is a busy worker. He is a busy worker. The juice is very sweet. The juice is very sweet. This problem is very easy. This problem is very easy. The river is very calm. The river is very calm. She is a happy child. She is a happy child. The cake looks very tasty. The cake looks very tasty. He is a lazy boy. He is a lazy boy. The tree is very tall. The tree is very tall. This place is very quiet. This place is very quiet. The glass is very clear. The glass is very clear. She is a friendly neighbor. She is a friendly neighbor. The day is very sunny. The day is very sunny. He is a helpful friend. He is a helpful friend. The milk is very fresh. The milk is very fresh. This shirt is very clean. This shirt is very clean. The road is very smooth. The road is very smooth. She is a lovely girl. She is a lovely girl. The air is very cool. The air is very cool. He is a funny boy. He is a funny boy. The garden is very green. The garden is very green. This pillow is very soft. This pillow is very soft. The food is very spicy. The food is very spicy.